Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, doing another video today. In today's video, yes, I'm going to give you my impressions of the LG G7 ThinQ after 24 hours. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so I wanted to do this video, give you my experiences with the LG G7 ThinQ for the last 24 hours. Yes, I've been having it for about that time, all day today, from 6 o'clock in the morning up to what time is now, 11:53 Central Time. So I've been using it all day, so I'm going to go over a couple things with y'all, let y'all know what my experiences was with the LG G7, and give you like my first impressions / 24 hours. But I'm going to talk about the storage, the batteries, the battery life, the speaker, the DAC, the cameras and the display, and also the build quality. Look at the phone. I've been showing this phone off to people at work, and the first thing is like, ooh, that color. Everybody likes that color. Man, it's a beauty. Look at it. Whew. But definitely a beauty. But let's talk about the storage on here. Comes with 64 gigs onboard storage. I'm using 25. Before I downloaded the apps, it had about maybe 9 to 10 gigs of storage being used from Android and T-Mobile apps that, you know, come pre-installed with the phone. And I have about 118 apps installed, so 25 out of the 64. You do have SD card support up to 2 terabytes, so I don't think you're gonna run out of space, especially if you have a nice SD card to put in there. Next thing I want to show y'all was the battery life. Yes, I had to charge it a little bit earlier today just to get through the rest of the night, but I don't think it did too bad of a job. But let me bring up the screenshot. Bam, there you go. At 9%, I had been using it for about 10 hours, and screen time was about 5 hours and 17 minutes. That is not bad at all. Again, it's the first cycle of battery life, so hopefully it gets better the more I use it. Hopefully, we get 5.5 hours of screen on time, and the battery can last me to about 8 or 9 o'clock at night. I would be happy with that. 3,000 milliamp hour battery. I don't know how much screen on time or how much battery life we would get, but so far I'm pretty impressed with it. Now the next thing I want to talk about is the speaker. People have been asking about the speaker a lot. Man, this thing is fantastic, really loud. I'm going to bring up a YouTube video. Actually, I want to shout out my boy Rob Pouncey from RP3 Tech Reviews. He just picked up the LG G7 ThinQ.
And that's a mouthful, but I decided to bring it to the channel. Let's give it a run, but unbox it, tell you some few things about the phone.
Look, you pick it up and then you put it down.
Some coverage on this phone for you guys. So right now, let's do the do. I have everything already.
I mean, listen to the difference.
You can see this is a T-Mobile variant.
That's pretty nice. Impressive to me.
Cleaning cloth.
Even up here, it sounds good, but you put it down, it sounds even better.
Great.
So shout out to Rob Pouncey, RP3 Tech Reviews, for picking it up. Subscribe to his channel. Check out his review on the G7 and the unboxing that he just did. I will have a link to his channel in the description. So shout out to Rob Pouncey for doing that video. So the speaker has been great. Man, this thing is loud. Stay tuned to the channel. I will do a comparison between the iPhone 10 and maybe the Galaxy S9 Plus just to see who can win the battle. But LG really stepped up the game on the Boombox speaker system that they have. The whole back of the phone vibrates while you're holding it. This whole thing I mean, this one of the weirdest but coolest things I've seen. But definitely a win. The next thing I want to talk about is the hi-fi DAC. Once you plug your headphones into this thing, man, I was jamming out earlier today, listening to I think Post Malone. I was jamming out some Drake in there, and man, I plugged my Bose into that headphone jack, and you could just tell the difference with the DAC system in there. Shout out to my boy Android stud Leo. He said the same thing in his live stream, that the DAC was just amazing. I mean, the sound from the speakers and the sound from the LG G7 ThinQ has just been a win. If you have it, let me know in the comments what you think about it. You plan on getting it, do your homework, but I'm telling you, it's for the speaker, the DAC system in there is for real. I'm not gonna lie. The next thing I want to talk about is the display itself. As you can tell in the video, man, it's a great looking display too. The colors really come out. The nice thing about it too, if you drag down here, probably will do another video, but you can, it has this little, you can get a boost of screen, so that's pretty cool. During the day, I went right in the sunlight, I hit that little boost button and it actually worked beautifully. I mean, I was able to see with no problems. The last thing I want to talk about overall is the cameras. That front camera, 8 megapixel front camera, and then the dual cameras in the back. Take a look at these photos I took. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I'm gonna come back real quick, but check these photos out. Okay, what y'all thought about those photos? Y'all let me know in the comments. Do they look good? Do they look soft? Is the low light looking good for y'all? Y'all let me know in the comments. Stay tuned to the channel because I will be doing a lot of comparisons. I'm planning on doing the LG V30 against the G7 ThinQ. Also the S9 Plus against the G7 ThinQ, just to see how this phone can actually hold up, how's the cameras, and then I get your opinions on it. Y'all let me know who won the battles, but stay tuned. I will definitely be doing those comparisons coming up. Also look out for, I'm gonna do a gaming review, speaker challenge, some cases I have, a screen protector. So definitely, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification button. Hopefully YouTube sends you the notification once I drop a new video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.